so excited with the results that we're seeing. I've been receiving a lot of before and after pictures, and we're pretty astonished at what we're seeing in just a short period of time. Anywhere from diminishing of deep wrinkles around the eyes, seen a lot of pictures where people are seeing lifting and tightening in their skin. We've also seen pictures of people underneath their eyes, the dramatic results of diminishing of those fine wrinkles. So we're pretty excited about what we're seeing. Now, I also have been receiving some questions about the product, how to properly use it. One question is asked, can I use the mask first right off the get-go, or do I need to wait 7 days? It really doesn't matter. If you want to use the mask right away, you can, or you can use the serum for a few days and then apply the mask. The proper way to do it is you want to cleanse your face first. If you're going to use the mask, you'll place the mask on, then you'll leave it on anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes depending on what your skin type is, and then you'll go ahead and you'll remove the residue. Now, I've had a lot of people ask saying, can I just leave that on? And the answer is I wouldn't do that, because there are things in there designed to exfoliate the skin, and it can be an irritant to your skin. So you want to go ahead and take a damp cloth and wipe that residue off. Then you will apply your serum. Another question I've been asked is, can I use the mask more than once? The answer is absolutely not. It is designed for one-time use, and here's why. Those masks, the way that they're put together, and especially the Siserain thing, is not designed to protect you against bacteria, funguses, or molds once you've applied it to your skin. Our mask is designed for a one-time use only, so please remember that. Again, we are super excited about this system. We are seeing some amazing results, and we're looking forward to seeing what you're going to send us as far as your results go.